All right, good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon. All right, guys, so a lot is going on in the financial markets. More pressure to the downside than anything. So let's explore the US30. This video will be geared more towards where is the bottom? Is this the big crash? What I'm going to say is let's take a look at the weekly candles. This is a super important week. This week, next week, I'll get into the details as far as why it's important, as well as where can the floor be if the market will continue lower. So let's get into that. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, loyal subscribers. Let's dive to the charts, shall we? So today's April the 3rd, 2025, and the current price of the US30, $40,329.80, slight negative 0.2% for the day. Okay. All right, folks. So, yeah, it appears that the market has taken a smack, if you will, to the downside. So let's look at this, guys. All right, I actually left this on the chart just to show you guys, like, I'm not always right, and I want to be transparent. So one of my video posts recently, I think within the last week, my prediction was that the markets could make new highs. Do I still think that? This week will determine that. So let's actually get into that right now. So when I say this week, let's take a look at this. Oh, by the way, if you're new, sorry guys, I got to do a quick credentials check. We were on one of the only YouTube channels who actually spotted this little range here at about 30,000. We were calling for a $41,000 US30. That played out, and then we doubled down and said, no, we're actually wrong. It's going to 44,000. And I mean, beautiful. That was a beautiful call. So yeah, hopefully we'll have a link for that. Quick credentials check. Let's move on. All right, so this week, super important. Let's take a look at the level that the weekly candles, I'm focusing on the weekly candles, guys. So I would really like for me to understand what's truly going on in this market and if this will be a blistering move to the downside. This level right here, right there, at about $40,000 and about $700. This active weekly candle, see right around this active weekly candle has about less than 24 hours to close. So if the weekly candle can close above about $40,700, I feel a little bit more comfortable that, yeah, this is just a quick shakeout. If it closes below this level, yeah, the next practical level down in my book, guys, all right, could it bust through the floor? Yes. Could it do a quick turnaround? Yes, but I'm not all over the place. My understanding of the financial markets, if this weekly candle, the week of March the 31st, 2025 till present day, this weekly candle closes below this white line. Yeah, all the way down here, guys, $38,700. I don't know if it'll be like an instant move down, but I think relatively quickly this could take place all the way down again, $38,000 and about $700. And we actually hinted to this on one of our video posts that says it's about 2 months ago. Highly probable buy-in level reveal with the exclamation marks. Okay. So that's the reason why. And I think on this video we did call for a 44,000. It's somewhere on there. Hopefully we're leaving a link for that video as well. All right. So super important week, guys. Again, if it closes below 40,700, you already have the move to the downside. So I can say that this could be possible, right? New highs incoming, because there's something on the higher time frames that I'm noticing that may suggest new highs this year. I know that's a pretty bold statement with the market literally with a blistering move to the downside. But the one thing that would save or kind of turn this around, or at least give me a better understanding whether or not new highs this year is possible, is 40,700, guys. All right. So this week, before this weekly close, hopefully I'm being super clear about what I'm talking about. All right. This weekly candle close above 40,700. Sorry, guys. I know I'm beating it. Then we have there's a chance that the buyers can move forward here. Now, another thing I want to do, and we'll close things out, is I want to show you kind of just where we are, right, with the logistics in the markets, with the weekly candles. So let's erase everything. Let's start fresh. All right, clean chart. All right, so the market is breaking out of a consolidation range. I don't know if you guys see these things. I mean, if you've been with us for some time, you should be able to spot this stuff relatively easy. So that's the range right there. It's basically, it could be considered a double top as well as a lower high, because if you're looking closely, you'll see that the candle's bodies, you'll notice that they were not able to reach higher levels on that second attempt to make a new high. So that is a technical lower high, and it could also be considered a double top. So for this reason, this consolidating, right? You guys know we pay attention to the consolidating, right? Up, down, break down, right down at that floor there. Took about, let's see, 175 days-ish to consolidate and break out, which it is doing at this moment. Guys, this doesn't look good. I'm not trying to like paint like a bullish picture. The only reason why I'm saying it doesn't look good is because of the wicks above the candle's bodies. If you notice the size of this wick above this candle's body, that's momentum, okay, to the downside. Okay, so brace yourselves out there. Yeah. 38,700 incoming if 40,700 does not close on today's candle. Yeah. Get you guys prepared for that move to the downside. All right. I don't really like coming on with like a bearish tone when the market is already down, but just giving it to you as I see it in the charts. Okay. So that's what I'm seeing, folks. This is it looks like an official breakdown of that, again, consolidation range. That's kind of the last floor there. So, all right, that's the entire video. That's what I want to stop on and give you guys those important levels. 40,700 on the close of this weekly candle gives the buyers a chance to do a little consolidating. I think this is going to need some consolidating with the way it's, is dressing or setting up here, in order to have a chance to push higher. But yeah, we'll see how it ends up. So let me know how it played out down in the comment section. If you're watching this like a week from now, did it close above 40,700? And are we trying to consolidate and move higher? This will be a challenge here though. This level, 41,700. Yeah, I mean, just because of that, that multiple touch points, use it as a little bounce, breakdown. Yeah, even if it moves higher, that's going to be a challenge, guys. $41,800. So that's it. I don't want to keep going on about it. Wow, we've lost about 0.06% since we've been talking here. Ugh. Yeah, just follow through with your strategies out there, guys, okay? And last but not least, that one level, guys, 38,700 potentially incoming in a relatively short period of time, because this could get pretty nasty. All right? Not a bullish, not a bearish video, but definitely giving you the levels to be prepared in case one happens or the other doesn't. All right. And that's all the information I have for you, wonderful folks. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you have levels. And yeah, that's the end of the video. So if you could do me a huge favor before you go, by simply leaving an appropriate thumb, I'd appreciate it on the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your continued ears and support. If you guys are new, we also explore the alternative market, Bitcoin, Dogecoin for now. So you can kind of join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter the market. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon. And bye for now, guys and gals.